What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now you join me today, we're in the barn yet again, and today what we're going to be doing is blacking out the front plastics on the car and on the rear as well. Now in the last video what we did was we fitted the Zunsport grills. As you can see, they're looking pretty paying, and since the last video I have replaced the number plate and moved it along slightly, and I definitely prefer it where it is now. So yes, as I said, we're going to be spraying the plastics black and we're going to be doing the rear ones as well. Now, every time I've sprayed plastics back, I've used just general spray paint, and after a while you get stone chips and they chip and they look really horrible. So I've come up with an ingenious solution, and that is plasti-dip. So I've got some plasti-dip spray cans there. We're going to give it a go. I've never used plasti-dip before. So yeah, we're just going to see how it goes and see how it turns out. The reason behind it is obviously if I do go ahead and get stone chips or anything like that, you can just literally peel it straight off. It's pretty mental. I'm not really sure how it works or why it does that, but there we go. I'm just going to give it a go and record it for you boys today. So yes, if you go ahead and enjoy the video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We are nearly at 1,500 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more Focus ST content in the future on this channel. So the first thing that I'm going to need to do is I'm just going to strip back the plastics, take them off. It's literally just a screw located there. So we're going to take them off, clean them up, get them all nice and clean, ready for the plasti-dip, and then we'll go ahead and start spraying. Now I'm going to do probably 4 or 5 coats of the plasti-dip, starting out really light and building it up, because that is the tips that it says on the can. So if we stick to the can, nothing can go wrong. So this is actually a T25, in case you boys are going to take these off yourself and give it a go at home, rather than a flathead that I thought it might have been. And then that should literally just clip off. Nice and easy, there we go. Right boys, now that we've gone ahead and got them off, we're just going to need to clean them up, prepare them for the plasti-dip. I'm just going to use some degreaser and some tissue to clean them up. Right boys, so it's been about half an hour. The plastics have fully dried up, and what I've done is I've just popped the silver edgings off, because I'm not sure whether I'm going to black those out yet or I'm going to leave them silver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the plastics black first, let them all dry up, put them on the car, see how it looks with the silver, and then if I'm not sure that I like it, then I can come back and spray the silver bits afterwards. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it like that. I haven't decided yet. Let me know what you would do in the comments below, whether you'd leave those on and spray them black or take them off and do that. I think I am going to do it like this first, because I'd rather do it like this than have the trouble of peeling it all off and starting again. So yeah, let's go ahead and let the spraying begin. We're going to start with the first coat. It's going to be super duper light, and then we'll work our way from there. Right boys, so that has been about 5-6 minutes now as per the can. We're going to go ahead and do another light coat and just build it up, and we're going to do, we'll probably do 5 coats in total. This is number 2, just keeping it real light again, just so we can build it up in a nice layered effect. another 5-10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do coat number 3. And what I've decided as well is, whilst I was killing time, like I said, I've taken off the rear ones, and I have decided that I'm going to spray the silver bits. I can't resist it. It's too much fun, and it's pretty satisfying as well. So we are going to be doing those bits. Like I said, I can peel it off if I need to, particularly if I'm doing the silver bits separately. I can just whack it off if I need to, if I don't like it. But I think it will look pretty good. It's coming out pretty good so far. Like, the finish is actually pretty high quality. So yeah, let's go ahead and do coat number 3 on the front ones, coat number 1 on the rear ones, and then coat number 1 on the silver sort of outskirt bits as well. Right boys, so just a quick update for you. We have managed to get 5 coats on all of the plastics. So what we've got to do now is leave them for a couple of hours until they are completely dry, and then we can go ahead and get them on the car. So I'll catch up with you boys in a couple of hours, but it'll be a matter of seconds for you boys. So yes, catch up with you in a couple of minutes. Welcome back to the video boys. So it's been a few hours. The plastics have all dried up. They've come out actually really quite nice with the plasti-dip, which I'm happy with. So yeah, what we're essentially going to do now is go ahead and get them put back on the car, which I've got parked just outside. Looks a bit dodgy without the things on there, but we're going to go ahead and put those back on now, and then I'll show you exactly how they look. But yeah, overall went pretty well. So far anyway. I mean, I've got to put them back on, although that's not difficult. Right boys, there we have it. Looks pretty good. I quite like it, particularly on the front. I'm not 100% sure about the back, if I'm honest. I'll come outside, it's a little bit windy, but if we come in the back, yeah, I'm not 100% sure. Don't know whether that will stay or whether that will go. Like I said, the good thing about the plasti-dip is you can get it off a little bit easier than spray paint, so we won't have to sand it all back if we do want to take it off. So yeah, I guess we can get it off if we need to. But yeah, for the moment it is going to stay on the car as the sun has come out. But yeah, if you did go ahead and enjoy the video, make sure to drop the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, we've got some more mods coming to the channel very soon. But for now, thank you boys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one with some more Focus SD content. Peace.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.